Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're looking at the number of states that joined the Union between 1776 and 1849 and 1850 and 1900. We're told that 1776 to 1849 is twice 1850 to 1900. And we're told if 30 states joined between 1776 and 1849, so this value is 30, this is going to be twice 1850 to 1900, which we're told is x. So 30 is twice x. Let's turn this into an equation. 30 is always corresponds with equals, and then twice x means 2 times x. So 30 is equal to 2x, and if we want to make this look like one of our answers, you just flip the sides around. It doesn't actually change the value of the equation. We get 2x is equal to 30. And this lines up with B, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.